Hi everyone! Continue tayo sa ating lesson about grade 7 math, quarter 2, module 4. So ang gagawin natin ngayon is multiplication of polynomials. Dahil tapos na tayo sa ating laws of exponent, ngayon magagamit na natin ito sa ating multiplication of polynomials. Ang uunahin natin is multiply polynomial by a monomial. So, ang monomial is one term lang. Ang polynomial is maraming term. So, paano tayo mag-multiply ng polynomial by a monomial? Multiply each term of the polynomial by the monomial. So, ibig sabihin, gagamit tayo ng distributive property of multiplication. So, itong monomial natin, i-distribute natin sa ating polynomial. So, for example, meron tayo ditong 4a squared multiplied by 3a plus 5. Ang gagamitin natin ditong laws of exponent is product of a power. Ano yung product of a power? So, kung hindi nyo napanood ang previous lesson natin, panoorin nyo ang ating previous lesson. So, ang product of a power is, ang gagawin natin kapag nag-multiply tayo, i-add natin ang exponent. So, for example, this one, 4a squared. So, 4a squared multiplied by 3a plus, kasi i-distribute natin siya, so i-multiply natin siya dito at i-multiply natin siya dito. So, 4a squared multiplied by 5. 4a squared times 3a is equal to, so i-multiply natin ang numerical coefficients. So, 4 times 3 equals 12. And then a squared multiplied by a, so i-add natin ang 2 and 1 kasi si a meron siyang 1. So, magiging a cubed plus 4a squared times 5. So, 4 times 5 equals 20. And then, kopyahin natin ang a squared. Ayan. So, ito na yung sagot natin. Ang sagot natin is 12a cubed plus 20a squared. Another example, 9y multiplied by 5y cubed minus 3y plus 5. So, ang gagawin natin is i-distribute natin itong ating monomial sa ating polynomial. So, i-multiply natin siya dito, i-multiply natin sa second term, at i-multiply natin siya sa third term. Okay, so si 9y i-multiply natin kay 5y cubed, and then si 9y i-multiply natin kay negative 3y, and then si 9y i-multiply natin kay 5. So, 9y times 5y cubed. So, 9 times 5 is equal to 45. And then y times y cubed, so i-add natin si 1 plus 3 is equal to y raised to the 4th power plus 9 times negative 3 is equal to negative 27. And then y times y, so 1 plus 1 is equal to y squared plus 9 times 5 is equal to 45. So 45y to the 4th power, kopyahin lang natin. And then positive and negative is equal to, positive times negative is equal to negative 27y squared. Y squared plus 45. So, ito na yung sagot natin. 45y raised to the 4th power minus 27y squared plus 45. Ngayon naman, ang gagawin natin is multiply polynomial by another polynomial. So, meron tayong example dito, 4x minus 4 times 2x plus 5. So, meron tayong dalawang paraan kung paano tayo mag-multiply ng polynomial by another polynomial. That is vertical and horizontal. So, ito yung vertical natin. So, gagawin natin 4x minus 4 times 2x plus 5. Kapag nag-multiply tayo ng polynomial by a polynomial, parang nag-multiply lang tayo ng mga normal numbers. So, 5 times 4 or positive. Ang tatandaan natin, wag nating kalilimutan ang sign ng mga term. So, positive 5 times negative 4. So, positive and negative is equal to negative. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. And then, positive 5 times positive 4x. So, 4 times 5 is equal to 20x. So, 20x. Next is 2x times negative 4. So, 2 times negative 4 is equal to negative 8x. 2x times 4x. So, 2 times 4 is equal to 8. And then, x times x is equal to x squared. Kasi i-add natin ang exponent ni x at saka ni x. So, 2x times 4x is equal to 8x squared. And then, mag-add na tayo. So, bring down natin sa negative 20. And then, positive 20x minus 8x is equal to 12x. Ang sign natin is positive kasi mas malaki si 20. And then, bring down 8x squared. Ang ating sagot is 8x squared plus 12x minus 20. So, itry naman natin sa horizontal na paraan. Sa horizontal is gagamitin natin ang distributive property. So, si 4x, i-multiply natin dito at dito. So, 4x times 2x plus 4x times 5. And then next is plus, ito naman si 4, i-multiply natin siya dito at i-multiply natin siya kay 5. So, negative 4 multiplied by 2x and then plus negative 4 multiplied by 5. Ngayon is i-multiply na natin sila isa-isa. So, 4x times 2x, so 4 times 2 is equal to 8. And then x times x is equal to x squared plus 4x times 5. So, 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Kopyahin natin ang x plus negative 4 times 2x is equal to negative 4 times 2 is equal to negative 8x plus negative 4 times 5 is equal to negative 20. So, i-simplify na natin ang ating sagot. 8x squared plus, this is squared, plus 20x. Positive times negative is equal to negative 8x. Positive and negative is equal to negative 20. Ayan. So, kopyahin natin si 8x squared. Positive and negative, subtract. Kopyahin natin ang sign ng malaking number. So, that is positive. So, positive 20 minus 8 is equal to 12. Kopyahin natin ang x. And then, minus 20. So, ayan. Ang sagot natin is 8x squared plus 12x minus 20. So, magkapareho lang ang sagot nilang dalawa. Another example tayo, meron tayo ditong 8x squared plus 7x minus 11 multiplied by 2x minus 3. So, uunahin natin ang vertical method. So, 8x squared plus 7x minus 11 multiplied by 2x minus 3. So, same lang sa normal na mga number. So, negative 3 times negative 11. So, negative times negative is equal to positive. And then 3 times 11 is equal to 33. And then, negative 3 times positive 7x. So, negative 3 times positive 7 is equal to negative 21. Kopyahin natin si x. And then, negative 3 times 8x squared. So, 3 times 8 is equal to 24x squared. So, dahil negative, negative 24x squared. And then, si 2x naman. So, 2x times negative 11. So, 2 times 11 is equal to 22, negative 22x. 2x times 7x, so 2 times 7 is equal to 14, and x times x is equal to x squared. So, plus 14x squared, and then 2x times 8x squared. So, 2 times 8 is equal to 16, x times x squared is equal to x cubed. So, 16 x cubed. And then, i-add na natin. Bring down positive 33. And the negative and negative, kopyahin natin ang common sign at i-add natin ang numbers. So, 21 plus 22 is equal to 43. Kopyahin natin si x. And the negative and positive, subtract. Kopyahin natin ang sign ng malaking number. So, that is negative. 24 minus 14 is equal to 10x squared. And then bring down 16x cubed. So, ang sagot natin is 16x cubed minus 10x squared minus 43x plus 33. Ngayon, i-try naman natin ang horizontal method. So, 8x squared plus 7x minus 11 multiplied by 2x minus 3. So, i-distribute natin siya sa polynomial. So, unahin natin si 2x. Si 2x, i-multiply natin kay 8x. Si 2x, i-multiply kay 7x. Si 2x, i-multiply kay negative 11 plus si negative 3 naman. So, negative 3 multiplied by 8x plus negative 3 multiplied by 7x, and then plus negative 3 multiplied by negative 11. So, isimplify na natin ang ating sagot. So, 2x times 8x squared. So, 2 times 8 is equal to 16, and then x times x squared is equal to x cubed, plus 2x times 7x is equal to 14x squared. 14x squared plus 2x times negative 11. So, negative and positive is equal to negative. And then 2 times 11 is equal to 22x plus negative 3 times 8x squared. So, negative 3 times 8 is equal to negative 24x squared plus negative 3 times 7x is equal to negative 21x plus negative 3 times negative 11 is equal to positive 33. So, pansinin nyo ang ating sagot, hindi siya naka-arrange in a standard form kasi meron tayong 3 dito, meron tayong 2, merong 1, merong 2, merong 1. So, standard form, dapat naka-arrange ang kanyang exponent na galing sa mataas pababa. So, i-arrange muna natin siya para makapag-add tayo. So, 16x cubed plus 14x squared. Saan pa ba ang merong 2 na exponent natin? So, si negative 24x. So, positive times negative, that is negative. Negative 24x squared. And then next is, need 2 is 1. So, positive and negative is negative 22x. And then positive and negative is negative 21x plus 33. So, ayan, naka-arrange na siya in a standard form. So, pwede na tayong mag-add. Kopyahin lang natin si 16x cubed dahil wala siyang kasama. Positive and negative, subtract. Kopyahin ang sign ng bigger number which is 24. So, that is negative. 24 minus 14 is equal to 10x squared. Negative and negative, kopyahin ang common sign. I-add yung number. So, 22x plus 21x is equal to 43x plus 33. So, ang sagot natin is 16x cubed minus 10x squared minus 43x plus 33. Ayan. So, magkapareho lang yung sagot natin sa vertical at horizontal. That's all for today's video, guys. Ang susunod nating lesson is division of polynomials naman. Bye!